Hello, kindergarten. Today is Wednesday, and we're going to be working on lesson 13-4. Grown-ups, if you have their workbook or that PDF page that is attached in the slides, please get that ready so that we can start learning. All right, today we're going to be working on making sense and persevering through understanding 2D and 3D shapes. And Jackson has two doors here, door 1 and door 2, and all of these different shapes. And he has some 3D shapes and some 2D shapes. And he wants to put the 2D, the flat shapes, so the 2D shapes, behind door number 1. And then he wants to put the 3D shapes or the solid shapes behind door number 2. So I'll do this first shelf for you and with you. So I want to look at the shape. I have a square. It's not a 3D shape. It is a 2D shape. So I'm going to draw a line to door number 1. This next shape is a sphere, and it is a 3D shape. So I'm going to put that to door number 2. All right, I want you to go through and do the rest of them. So pause the video, do the rest of them, and come back. All right, you should have done your lines to the doors. The triangle would go to door number 1 because it's a 2D shape. The cylinder goes to door number 2 because it's a 3D shape. The cube is a 3D shape, so we need to bring it here to door number 2. The rectangle is a 2D shape, so it goes to door number 1. The circle goes here, the triangle goes here, and the cone is a 3D shape. All right, did you get them right? All right, let's keep going. We're going to be working in the guided practice today. All right, I'm going to say some clues, and we're going to X off the ones that are not my mystery shape. Okay, we've done this before, so be listening to my clues, and then we're going to cross them off. Let me get my pencil ready so I can do it with you. All right, for number 1, the first clue is I am a solid figure. So a solid figure is another name for a 3D shape. So it cannot be this triangle. A triangle is a 2D shape. It's a flat shape. So it cannot be that one. The next clue is I can roll. Now a cube, if it is a dice, it can roll if you throw it or if you toss it really hard. But if you just laid it on the table and maybe tipped something or just give it a tiny little push, it wouldn't roll on its own. So a cube does not roll. So we're going to cross it off. So that means a cone, it is a solid figure and it can roll. If you put it on its side, it would roll. So we're going to circle that one. All right, let's do number 2. Listen to my clues. The first clue is I am a solid figure. Now, if I look at all of these shapes, all of them are solid figures. So there's nothing to cross out yet. The next clue is I can roll. So a sphere can roll. It's like a ball. And a cylinder can roll. But a cube cannot roll. So it can't be that. Now I have another clue. The next clue is I can also stack. So if you put something on top, it would sit on top and not fall. And if you put something on top of a ball or a sphere, it could fall right off. So it can't be this one. But if you turned the cylinder upright and you put something on top of it because there's a flat surface right here, it would stack. So the right answer is the cylinder. Is that what you got? All right, let's go to the next page. All right, this is the portion for you grown-ups. Down here at the bottom, there's the directions on what the clues are. And your grown-up is going to give you the clues and help you figure out what shape is the mystery shape.